Edward Stevenson with TimelessWall.net, and per the request of members of TimelessWall.net, this will be a technical opinion video on GenVec Incorporated, stock symbol GNVC. This is a 6-month chart on GNVC, and as you can see, the price gapped down from 283, which was the close on Monday's trading session, to an open of 74 cents per share on Tuesday's trading session amid bearish news released from the company. As a result, what we get is that the price has not traded between 283 per share and 86 cents per share, which was the high on Tuesday's trading session and poses resistance. So the first thing I'd like to do here is just draw in a trend line representing resistance at 86 cents per share, which again is the high on Tuesday's trading session, and another one representing the low on Monday's trading session at $2.83 per share. Now with this, all that I want to accomplish is just show you the gap, which is more than evident, and for those of you who wondered what a gap is, now you know. That's just an area where the price hasn't traded from one session to the next, and I'll get back to this towards the end of this video. Now the other trend line that I've drawn in, again in blue over here, represents the low on Tuesday's trading session at 71 cents per share. The reason this mark is so key is because I used this very same mark to swing trade the stock on Tuesday's trading session, and let me show you what I mean. If we take a look at the 1-year chart on GNVC, we can see that this trend line right here dates back to being support in September of 2009, after which we saw the price rally up above $1 per share on this trading session right here. What this means is that not only did the price find support at 71 cents per share accidentally, if you will, but it has acted as support in the past, again in September of 2009, which furthermore led to a rally in price. So that is why I had put a bid in right above 71 cents per share. I was encouraged that my chances are strong of a good return on a trade if I am to buy at support and sell at some sort of resisting level for a quick gain in the marketplace. Now to further explain the reason this candle right here, and let me just zoom back into the 6-month chart, the reason this candle here appears green, even though it's quite evident the stock closed down some 70% on Tuesday's trading session, is the fact that the price opened at 74 cents per share but closed higher than that, and as a result this charting software right here draws this candle green, meaning that the market was bearish, the stock gapped down, but someone decided to take opportunity, someone saw opportunity rather in the marketplace, and they said, well, this stock is trading at a 70% discount from just the prior session's close. Yes, there are bearish news, but things can turn around. And in fact, while 71 cents supports the price, 86 cents offers resistance. What this means is that if the market becomes enthusiastic, if things turn around, if the company satisfies shareholders' fears or any sort of bearish sentiment towards the company because of their failures, because of something that didn't work out in the past, if any of this turns around is in favor of longs or long-term investors in GNVC, we could see a break to the upside. And more often than not, we see gaps fill, just like in this period right here in January of 2010, where the price gapped down quite significantly, losing just about half of its value, and after which we saw a gap to the upside over here, and the price rallied to fill this gap, actually these two gaps right here, this one here and the gap between these two trading sessions here. Since we are on this area as it is, I might as well mention the fact that we did occur a bearish chart pattern up in this area, the double top. You can draw in this trend line at just about any point, whether that be the peak on this trading session, the peak here, which is just 1 cent off, so pretty accurate depiction of what a double top is. Bearish chart pattern meaning resistance was found once here, another time more or less at that same spot, and so the price declined, and we saw that decline in price. And that doesn't mean we were expecting a large gap down. You know, who knows when these type of things come, but we do see that some bearish action did take place and the price did decline the following trading sessions. Now, going back to the 1-year chart, I understand the market is bearish. That's why the price, of course, gapped down. We saw huge volume, which was a bearish sign in itself because obviously there is some selling going on. People are fearful that things are taking a turn for the worst. However, others are looking for opportunity to pick up some shares of GNVC at a discount, hopeful or at least encouraged that things will turn around and the price will fill this enormous gap from 283 to 86 cents per share. In the event that 71 cents per share does not hold the price, we have support at 63 cents per share, which is basically this low right here, and again after which we saw a nice rally in price to just under $1 per share, which in itself was a nice return, after which things are a little faint and we don't really have much support down to the 52-week low mark, which is 40 cents per share. But in any event, what we want to see is hopefully the price edging up in the following trading sessions. If we see some encouraging price action, this could become a bullish chart pattern, the double bottom chart pattern, meaning we take this bottom right here and this one here, assuming that the price begins to edge up, and all of a sudden we have the inverse of this bearish double top pattern. In any event, while I have no idea how the company fares or if things take a turn for the better or worse, I've outlined what I do know and what I'm looking for and what I imagine more traders than just myself and investors on that note are looking for in this market, and I wish everyone the best of luck. I encourage you to visit timelesswealth.net and join my free newsletter for overlooked trading and undervalued investment ideas. If you join, you also have access to all sorts of educational materials, market commentary, and publications. We offer a weekly market watch list among other services to our members, so it's definitely something you want to take advantage of, and the best part is it's all free, so it's definitely worth giving a try. Thank you for listening.